Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix disconnected from the match error on Multiversus. So what helped for me is basically I changed my Steam account. I'm on Steam, so if you play on Steam or other platform or PS5, PS4, you can change your account here, log in with a different account and log into Multiversus with the same Warner Bros. Account. And I got disconnected from the match a lot, but when I just changed my account, it's gone. I know what happened, but it worked for me. But you can try this, and if it's not working, then what I suggest to do here is to, if you are on PC, you need to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, and then what you need to do here is write ipconfig/flush DNS. And then another one is Nash WinSock reset, right? And then look if the problem persists or not. Of course, first test your internet speed. Go to, for example, fast.com. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices or restart your router. And then go to settings. And on settings, go to network and internet, advanced network settings, reset network, and reset now. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. Next, what you need to do here is to open up internet again, advanced network settings, find your internet connection, expand it, go to more adapter options, and then here select Internet Protocol version 4 and select use the following DNS server addresses and put DNS 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Another thing that I suggest to do here, sometimes if you accidentally do not add it to Windows Defender Firewall, also you can get disconnected things here. So what you need to do here, you need to open up your Steam or other platform, right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files, browse, and then copy the path. Just press on the blank space and then copy. Then what you need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection. Then on virus and threat protection, go to here, manage settings, scroll down, exclusions, add or remove exclusion, press yes. Then add an exclusion, select folder, and then copy the path, right? And add the folder. I already did this, but if you don't, you can add it here as well, right? And then also go to Windows Defender Firewall, allow app or feature, change settings, then look for Multiversus. If there is Multiversus on this list, you're good to go. But if it's not, then allow another app, then press browse, then again add the same path here, and then add the exe file here and hit add, right? And try these methods and look if it's working for you or not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.